Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is a package from Mint Mongoose, and they are a monthly jewelry subscription. And you get to choose silver, rose gold, or gold as your metal choices for what you receive. So that is customizable so that you do get to choose. Every 3 months you receive, that you're still a member, you receive a free gift. You can skip or cancel at any time. And the Mint Mongoose, the regular Mint Mongoose, which is this, is $12 a month. It does ship worldwide. And that you get 3 pieces of jewelry. Then they have the Mint Mongoose Black, which you receive 4 pieces of jewelry and 2 accessories. That is $22.99, and that includes free U.S. shipping. And you do receive an email from Mint Mongoose that you do get to choose one of the accessories that you receive when you have the Mint Mongoose Black. So I am confused as to why I received this, because I was confused. My last package should have been something I received in November, and I got it in just got it in January. So I'm assuming that this is the January, the true January subscription. I did have a card enclosed that says Magical Mongoose, and it says happy 3-month anniversary. So then I would have been a member for 3 months. And on the back of the card, it just basically, it's in celebration of your 3 months. And then outside of this package loose was a pin. A little flower pin, a white enamel flower pin with a, a tack back. So here's the pin. It's cute. Very, very cute. I would put something like that on. And then you always get a nice packaged, with this Mint Mongoose seal. The teal packaging is always Mint Mongoose. And then I just broke the ribbon, cut the ribbon. So then inside here, you always receive as a little treat your Werther's Original Candy and a thank you card letting you know that your package is here and stuff like that. And then it's always wrapped in this nice, mint color paper. It's always packaged very, very nicely. They do an excellent job with packaging and presentation. So then we'll open it up. So there are 3 pieces of jewelry, and you always have the Mint Mongoose tag on it. And it tells you if you spend $40 on any individual item in their shop, you receive a free box. And they're always in these like clear cellophanes and then in bubble wrap to help, protect your jewelry. And this is a beautiful necklace, like a slide bar, so it slides along so this is like a hollow tube, slides along the chain, and it is adjustable. You can see you have, you have some adjustments that you can make there. Let me show you here. And then the little drop down is a mongoose. So this is very pretty. This is what I had seen as being in the January box. That's why I was a little confused with my last video. I wasn't sure if that was January, but I'd seen a lot of people had received that in November, so I was confused why I got it, but it didn't matter. The necklace and earrings and ring were beautiful. So let's see what this is. And this is a matching bracelet with the same slide option, adjustable so that it will fit many wrists. Of course, my dog's going to bark. And then you have the Mint Mongoose emblem. So there's the bracelet and the necklace. Beautiful. And this one, let's see what this is. I mean, I love that they're everything's, sealed up nice and always is in, little bubble wrap packages, which, helps protect. Plus you're in a big, you know, bubble wrap mailer, so then nothing gets damaged. Oh, these are adorable. So these match the, let me just see if I can, the bracelet and the necklace. So there are the earrings. These are really cute. Really, really cute. So there's the 3 pieces. Let's try to get this out of the way so I can show you all 3 pieces nicely. So then you have your earrings, which are beautiful. And these would be stunning in the other metal choices also. You have your necklace and you have your bracelet. So that is, and plus my free gift for being at my 3-month anniversary was this beautiful pin. So we'll include that there. So this month I did receive the 4 pieces. So that is my Mint Mongoose video for January 2019. And I received, once again, beautiful items, and the quality is good. I've never had an issue with breakage, with anything turning colors, or, you know, turning. Sometimes when you have metals that are not good, they leave, you know, they mark your skin. I've never had that issue. I have pretty sensitive ears for piercings, and I've never had any issues with any of the earrings that they have sent. So I am overall pleased with this subscription. I might 1 month try the Mint Mongoose Black just to see all the items that come with that, but I do love this for $12 a month. So that's my video for today. Thanks for watching, and I will leave down in the link below, in the description box below, a link to Mint Mongoose, maybe if you would consider subscribing to them. They, like I said, they have beautiful, beautiful pieces. And everyone have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.